Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. If you're not hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button to be part of this big family. And if you're not watched these videos, then you can check out these videos. So we spoke yesterday about CoForge and two other stocks, Hindalco and Adani Enterprises. We spoke about those particular stocks. So um, market, first of all, market, let's see Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 opened a gap up, and after a gap up, because of gap up, you would have seen a positive level here. But whereas a lot of profit booking happened and slowly it slided down. So it's not exactly a bullish sign. Yes, because of a lot of orders, it has gone up. But in intraday, I'm saying it is not so bullish. It went sideways and then it went lower level. Still, it is in the same level of morning itself. So no much advantage from the market, but the two trending stocks, basically trending stocks can go up and down. So when it goes up and down, we try to take advantage in scalping. So I told you for observing Hindalco and Adani Enterprises. Also, we spoke about CoForge. CoForge, because see, the idea why I told CoForge is not on a 1 hour candle. On 1 hour candle, there was a breakout, but overall day candle also, if you see, there is a big candle with a high volume over here. So basically the advantages, you can either go consider a breakout of the high candle. If it doesn't break, then no observation. If it is breaking its own high of yesterday, then that is observation. So if you look at a shorter time frame, this is the overall day how it has performed. So CoForge continued with buyers till 11 o'clock in the morning. So if you see, it closed around CoForge around 3385 levels here zone, and if you see, it has finally gone. So 0.3% in this particular stock is hardly 10 rupees. So wherever you see just 10 rupees, you are done in this particular stock, because the stock is around 34 rupees is 1%. So 0.3% is around 10 rupees. So you see this advantage, it has gone up to 3,540. So 100 points up, but whereas we have to only check out 10 points to take advantage in this particular. So till 11 o'clock, there was an advantage because a lot of buyers were there. Yesterday, this was a breakout happening. On one day candle also, we saw a lot of volume. The continuation happened, then profit booking, as always, profit booking has taken place. Anyways, let's talk about these two stocks, trending stocks, which we discussed. So first of all, I'll show you in 1 day chart. So yesterday you saw this was a trending stocks for tomorrow, and today it has, even though the market was not performing that great because of gap up, when this one did a gap up, and overall till now it has gone till here, breaking most of the resistance. Also Adani Enterprises also has closed around this levels 1286 levels. Today it has opened and it is still in these levels itself. It is in higher levels anyways. So let's go with shorter time frame and see, because I drew resistance and support to make you understand. So we drew few lines, if you remember yesterday. If not, go and watch that video. So we have drawn certain lines to understand where it will open and where it will sustain. So like we thought, it has finally opened above this resistance. So this became a support. Now once it is, if it is staying for this for few minutes, so I'll put in 1 minute chart to know minutes. So it is staying for higher time, right? Morning time, you see it's staying for longer time here. So once it stays in longer time here, then automatically it has a tendency to reach the resistance zone, okay, and it can come down also. But in this case, it broke the resistance zone, and it has gone closer to this 399 resistance zone, up to 398 levels it has gone. And finally it broke the support, and it has come down and reached this support line. So from here again, 4 rupees scalping. Now this point is the point where it is taking support. You see this, it is taking support. In intraday, I'm showing 1 minute, and it has broken. So once it is broken, where is the next level it is taking? It is taking the next support. Once it took the next support, you see the resistance. This is the resistance point, resistance. Once the resistance is broken, you see it has reached the top resistance, that is 394. So finally it has reached the 394. Now it is trading within this zone. In this zone, next opportunity here is this one. I know after 12 o'clock we don't look into it, but I'm just showing you. It has taken the support of this resistance. You see it is touching, and once it broke that, it has a tendency to go to the next level of resistance. But anyways, we didn't concentrate on so much of resistance. We didn't expect it to break so much of resistance. It's overall gone up. So the idea, as a short-term trader, yes, you will just take a trade and you will just wait. You know, the fluctuations will be there. It will go up, it will go down, and then finally when it goes up, you will book your profit. But when as a scalper, if you do CNC, you should also check the resistance which I am telling you, just for a reference. Doesn't mean the reference what I have done here is all 100% right, but it's a reference for you. So if a stock is trading for a longer time in certain zone, it has a tendency to go up. If the market is up, the stock is green, then we will concentrate on upside. What if you are taking here thinking it will go upside? What if it goes down? Obviously, your averaging out happens in different zones. So either you would have averaged out here because you don't know it will go back again. When it goes here, you will average out, and whenever it came back here, you would have booked your profit. Like this, you will take advantage in case the stock goes against you. With different support zones, you will try to take average out. Once it breaks the resistance point, hoping that the stock was going up. Overall, the stock was trending. It opened green, so we are hoping it will go up. That's the reason if we take a buy, then you have to do average out when it goes down. Or if you would have booked your profit, see, this is 5 minutes. Hardly you had to book 1 rupee in Hindalco. So if the stock has gone up, you would have booked your profit then and there, right? So hardly you need 1 rupee. Let's say you're taken a position in the morning, you waited for 3-4 minutes. It is staying in this levels. Now you decided, okay, it is staying within this zone. The stock is in green. So let me take an advantage till 94. So I took around, let's say 391, 392.2. I scalped and I closed my trade 0.3%. I'm just giving an example. So you need to understand in that way, and if in case you took and it didn't give you 0.3, it went against you, you have to wait for the support lines for that particular day and then do an average, so you can escape earlier. Remember, you're taking CNC, that is the reason you can hold your positions, and this fluctuations is common in every stock. I'll show you Adani Enterprises also. Adani Enterprises also, you see morning. Adani Enterprises was staying within morning, let's say 2-3 minutes, it is staying within this range. So my expectation is what? Let's say 1298. For this stock, let's say the 0.3 is 1.3, 1.3, 1.3. Let's say 4 rupees is the target. So if you want to target 4 rupees, 1302. Let's say you took a position here after a few minutes, your capacity is only 1303 because you know it's the resistance. You see it can touch and come down. So now if you took, either you scalped at 4 rupees, if you don't book your profit, it would have come down in CNC, you would have averaged out in this particular first support. If it had further gone, you would have drawn a support around, let's say 85 somewhere. If it is a support, let's say 78, you would have taken more shares, but thankfully it went up. So you would have averaged out, it would have gone up, it is finally touching the resistance. It is again coming down because it's a resistance. That's what I'm saying. You need to understand the levels, not just a trending stock. Market support is very less, so it is going sideways, and again it broke the resistance. It touched the top resistance, it came down, broke the support, came down, took the support here, now went to the resistance zone, broke the resistance, gave the next target. You see the movements here, there's a difference of value. 4 rupees, right? So 304, it's gone to 8 rupees up. Hardly we need to scalp is 4 rupees. In terms of lower values, the opportunity is higher, the resistance gap is higher. So if you see 394 to 399, 4-5 rupees is there. Hardly how much you have to scalp? 1 rupee. So hope you got an idea. So when you get certain trending stocks, when you get certain stocks like CoForge, which has done some actions previously, we have to keep it in our radar for scalping, right? Like this, you can pick many stocks, but I am just giving you a few examples of price actions where price action traders are taking action on short-term basis. We are going and taking advantage as a scalper only. So hope these type of videos are helping you. So watch out for such trending stocks videos. I will send you. These are only for learning purpose only. I don't recommend anybody to do buying and selling. I never do that. Buying and selling options I will not give. I will only hint you these levels and only for observations and learning. So always when you're trading or doing whatever, take your own decisions or take the help of an investment advisor. I only share this for learning. That's the reason I show you a few breakouts. And it's not that I sit in front of my system every time to keep recording this. Whenever I find certain opportunity, whenever I see something happening, I will record it and show you so that you can observe the next day also. Same day, if it's not about same day you have to go and take action. It's about next day watching out these stocks. So hit that like button on this particular video and hit the subscribe button. See you soon in one more learning video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.